morning student. Today I am going to explain chapter number 3 and the name of this chapter is Ben Obeys. One boy whose name was Ben. He was disobeying child. When he came home one day when he came home and keeping his bicycle, his mother asked, "Where is your helmet?" So student, why we wear helmet? Yes, exactly. Helmet protects our head. That's why we wear. It protects our brain. But then also Ben didn't answer properly and continuously arguing with his mother. As at last he shows his disapproval. Mom said, "Go inside. I'll talk about it in a minute." About it in a minute means about it later. Ben went inside and sat down at the table. Ben is a boy and he went inside and sat down at the table. After that, mom and dad joined with him. His father asked, "What about your helmet?" Now his father, Ben's father, asked that, "What about your helmet?" He said, "Dad, I don't want to wear helmet. Now I am a great bicycle rider," he is saying. Ben is saying, "Now I am a great bicycle rider. That's why I do not wear helmet." You are a great bicycle rider, but then also you should wear. Who said? His father. His father is saying that if you are the great bicycle rider, then also it's your duty to wear a helmet. Now the mother said, "Don't you know that this is the rule of our family?" Ben said, "But mom, kids make fun of us." Not us, fun of me. Ben is saying that kids make fun of me. And after that, his father said that if the kids make fun of you, then also you should wear. Sometimes we have to be obedient even other people make fun of us. His father is saying, his father suggesting, his father is replying in this way, and the Ben is continuously arguing with his mom and dad. After a long conversation, Ben agreed to wear helmet. "Okay, I'll wear," he said to himself. One bright sunny afternoon in a December, when Ben was coming back to home from a school and crossing the road very carefully, but then also a young lady's car hit the bicycle of Ben and Ben fell down. What happened? Ben fell down on his head into the pavement. Okay? Ben fell down when he was crossing the road into the pavement. A neighbor called Ben's mother. Ben's mother came. When she saw ambulance, she shouted, "What happened? What happened to my son?" She is shouting like this. Okay? Now the Ben said, "Mom, I am here. No need to shout. Mom, I am here. Why are you shouting?" Ben said like this. Two doctors were checking when Ben's mother saw two doctors were checking. They were checking Ben. And one of the doctors said, "Now he is safe because of this helmet only. This helmet saved him." Ben's mother gave him a long hug. Okay? Ben's mother gave him long hug and she said that, "I am very happy today." Her son said, "Me too." Her son means Ben said, "Me too." So students, obeying the rules really does help to keep us safe and happy. So moral of this story is to obey the rule because it is good thing for us only. Thank you student. I hope you enjoyed.